Hey everybody, good morning. How you guys doing today? It is January 14th, 2022. It's my 1 month anniversary here with this channel, and also wanted to say thank you to everybody who is supporting the channel. We have reached 150 subscribers, and I really appreciate that a lot from everybody who is watching, everybody who is tuned in and is trying to learn maybe a little bit of what I got to offer, and just showing support. Just showing support for the channel. Really appreciate it. So happy with everybody. I'm so happy that there's a little bit of an audience out there. Hopefully this audience can grow. I know my content isn't the best. As you can see, I've slowly evolved. I've been trying to learn how to have a better speech pattern, how to talk. I was very nervous at the beginning. I'm still nervous. Don't get it wrong. I'm still nervous, but I'm learning. I'm learning how to do this. Been doing this forever, but haven't been doing this. It's 1 month. That's it. I just kind of woke up one day and said, you know what? I want to try it. And I did it, and here I am, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I don't know many of you, but it feels like I'm talking to you. It feels like you guys are here with me. So I really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the support you guys are giving to the channel. Well, but still got to get back to work. As much as I love everything, got to get back to work. Got the 2010 Cummins 6.7 with the oil leak. Got an approval on the repair, so trying to get back to that here. Let me show you where we're at right now. There I am kicking around boxes, huh? So, as you can see, already have discovered that the front main seal is leaking. Definitely leaking. You can see it right there leaking. I'm buying the new one with the sleeve on it. I don't believe it's coming from anywhere else. It's getting all over right here, but I don't believe it's coming from anywhere else. The customer went ahead and approved a new water pump. And I'm also going to remove the front timing cover to go ahead and do the front timing cover seals while I'm there, because it just would be smart for me to do that now. I'm already this far. Either way, the front main seal's inside that cover, so might as well get it done. That way I know that it's not leaking from anywhere else as well, even though I can see that the leak is coming from there. All right, well, I'm gonna get back on it. I once this one's done, I gotta get that Lincoln Continental, that 79. I'm gonna do all the repairs to it that I suggested to the customer. He approved them, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I still have the 6.0 behind me, the PowerStroke 6.0 with the ARP headsets and full engine reseal. I need to get back on that. That customer's on my butt. I got another 6.0 that I still have to do some minor rebuild, if you want to call it that. We're going to end up just replacing the piston that's bad and re-ringing the rest of them. And then I got another Cummins 5.9 that came in yesterday that needs, I apologize, the day before, that's going to end up getting most likely an engine rebuild, or we're going to go from there. The customer sees a lot of blow-by. When he was running it, I did notice that. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that one. Still got a few more things. Got another 6.0 that I need to get on, that originally had an EGR cooler leak. It sat for a while and now it's misfiring. They might have got rust on the cylinder. I've seen that before. I've repaired that before. I've rebuilt engines like that before, and then ending up to getting it sleeved and putting a piston in it. So regardless, once we get to that point, I'll explain it to you guys and get to it. There's a lot of other fun things that I want to get to. I want to start explaining some of the dynamics of the diesel world and how it's evolved to where it's at today. Why we have 1,000 foot-pound torque engines today. We couldn't imagine this 20 years ago. We couldn't imagine it. I have a 95 7.3 liter IDI. I mean, that thing's a beast, but it can never make the power that the new PowerStrokes make. It could never make the power that the new Duramaxes make. It can never make the power that these Cummins are making. I mean, heck, those 5-cylinder transits are making more power than my IDI. I've done repairs on those too. But nonetheless, let me go ahead and get back to it. I'm going to upload videos that I have too, and just get to it. All right, everybody. Really appreciate the support. Giveaways are going to be coming soon as I come up with the resources and just, find out what a cool giveaway will be. I'm new to this. I appreciate you guys' support. I will talk to you guys soon. And let's get back on this repair. Got to get it done. Customers on my butt. All right, guys. Be safe.